Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can measure with your Samsung Galaxy S23. So first of all, you have to quickly open your camera and be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Then go for the more modes, click on the AR zone. Now you have to download this option, quick measure. You will find this icon right here and just click on it, wait until it will be downloaded. Then click for the quick measure. Right now we have to move our camera around our surface, so we have to go a little bit up, then for the left side, and do it slowly, don't hurry up. You have to scan your arena in front of you. You can also go a little bit closer to the surface. As you can see, after a few moments we are able to make our we can start measuring something. So for example, space from this point to my phone, and it gave us 8. Okay, we can make another measure. Okay, it's also 8. And if you want to catch photo of it, just click in this place. I'm not sure if it's correct, but that's some kind of the feature right here. You can also measure height by tapping on the right upper corner, and here you can find some tips about this function. But yeah, that's how we can find it on the Samsung Galaxy S23. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.